Good day everyone, good day sir. I am Cadet Sumingin and this is my vlog and I am a second year criminology student. Today, I expect this subject to help me understand global issues, different cultures and how globalization affects our lives and future. In my own words, contemporary world is the study of today's world and how countries, people, technology and cultures are connected. One global issue that interests me is climate change because it affects everyone through extreme weather and environmental changes. It is important that we all help protect our environment. Globalization has influenced my daily life by giving me access to information, communication, and learning through the internet. As a future criminologist, it will also help me understand global issues such as cybercrime and international cooperation. And that is all for our vlog today. See you, keep safe, ingat!